Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance.
Hello everyone. Before you watch this video, please know this video contains voiceovers generated using artificial intelligence (AI) technology. The voice you hear may not represent a real person and is produced using text-to-speech software for illustrative, educational, or entertainment purposes. All content is intended to comply with YouTube's community guidelines and ethical standards.
WestJet Airline's baggage policy, 2025. WestJet Airlines has updated its baggage policies for 2025 to streamline travel and align with industry standards. Below are 10 critical points to understand the carry-on, checked baggage, and special item policies, ensuring a hassle-free travel experience. 1. Carry-on allowance for most fares, WestJet allows passengers on Econo, Member Exclusive, Econo Flex, Premium, Premium Flex, Business or Business Flex fares to bring one carry-on bag and one personal item at no additional cost. The carry-on must fit within the new size limit of 22x14x9 inches, 56x36 23 centimeters, including handles and wheels, and be light enough to place in the overhead bin without assistance. The personal item, such as a purse or laptop bag, must not exceed 16 13 6 inches, 41 33 15 centimeters, and should fit under the seat. These dimensions were updated effective March 13, 2025, to align with other North American carriers like Delta Airlines, with a transition period accepting the old size 21 9 inches until May 6, 2025. 2. UltraBasic fare. Restrictions. Passengers traveling on WestJet's UltraBasic fare are limited to one personal item, 16 x 13 6 inches, and are not permitted a carry-on bag, except on flights to from Europe and Asia, where one carry-on is allowed. If an UltraBasic passenger brings a carry-on to the gate without an exception, e.g. extended comfort service, it will be checked, incurring a checked baggage fee plus a service fee. This policy aims to reduce overhead bin congestion and lower fares. 3. Checked baggage allowance. WestJet's checked baggage allowance varies by fare type and destination. Economy, Econo Member Exclusive fares typically include one free checked bag up to 23 kilograms, 50 syllabs, and 62 inches, 157 centimeters, in total dimensions, length plus width plus height. Premium and Business fares allow two free checked bags with the same limits. UltraBasic fares do not include free checked baggage, and fees apply. Passengers can check 2-4 bags, 2-3 on WestJet Encore flights, with additional bags subject to fees and space availability. 4. Checked baggage fees for BUSO, UltraBasic, Econo, or member-exclusive fares. Checked baggage fees depend on when and how they are paid. First bag, $35, $55. Quadi USD. Prepaid online, $35. Self-serve check-in, $45. Airport, $55. Second bag, $55, $75. Saya USD, prepaid for $55. Self-serve, $65. Airport, $75. Third, fourth bags, £100, $160 CAD USD, depending on check-in method and destination. Fees are charged in the currency of the departure country, with GST applied for Canada originating flights. Prepaying online up to 24 hours before departure saves $10 $20 compared to airport check-in. An additional $10 fee applies for agent-assisted check-in at the airport. 5. Oversized and overweight baggage bags exceeding 23 kilograms, 50 columns, or 62 inches, 157 centimeters incur additional fees. Overweight, 24 to 45 kilograms, $75 $100 CAD USD per bag. Oversized, 158 to 203 centimeters, $75 $100 CAD USD per bag. Bags over 45 kilograms, 100 pounds, or 203 centimeters, 80 inches, are not accepted except for specific sports equipment up to 9.8 feet. Combined fees apply. EGD, an overweight and oversized second bag incurs all applicable charges. Passengers should arrive 30 minutes early for screening oversized items. 6. Special items and sporting equipment. Sporting equipment, such as golf clubs, skis, or surfboards, counts as one checked bag, but may incur additional handling fees, $50 and $59 CAD, for items like firearms or surfboards. Equipment must meet size up to 9.8 feet, except vaulting poles at 17 feet and weight limits. Items like skateboards or sports balls can be carry-ons if within size restrictions. Musical instruments like guitars require loosened strings to prevent damage and may be checked if they don't fit in the cabin. 7. Medical equipment and assistive devices. Medical equipment, such as wheelchairs, crutches, or portable medical devices, is carried free of charge but must be approved for air travel due to battery regulations. Passengers should pack medication in their personal item and notify WestJet 48 hours in advance for assistive devices. One medically required wheelchair per guest is transported in the cargo compartment at no cost. 8. Traveling with infants and children. Lap-held infants can have 2 pieces of equipment, e.g. stroller, car seat, checked at the gate for free. Fare-paying children get 1 free piece of equipment in addition to their fares checked baggage allowance. Equipment must meet size and weight limits, and substitutions like wagons are not permitted. Approved restraint systems must comply with Transport Canada or FAA standards. 9. Humanitarian and military exceptions. WestJet offers 1 free checked bag for humanitarian aid, departing Canada, or rescue animal transport, returning to Canada, subject to standard size and weight limits. Active or retired military personnel with valid ID may have baggage fees waived, though restrictions apply. WestJet RBC World Elite MasterCard holders and up to 8 guests on the same reservation also receive a free first checked bag. 10. Partner airlines and Codeshares. For flights operated by WestJet's airline partners, the operating carrier's baggage policy applies, with fees collected by the airline operating the first flight in each direction. Passengers should check the partner airline's website for specific rules, as policies may differ significantly from WestJet's. This applies to codeshare and interline flights, and WestJet recommends reviewing these details in advance. Tips to avoid fees. Prepay online. Save on checked baggage fees by prepaying up to 24 hours before departure. Pack light. Stay within carry-on limits to avoid checked bag fees, especially on UltraBasic fares. Check fare benefits. Higher fares or WestJet rewards tiers may include free baggage. Measure luggage. Ensure bags meet size and weight restrictions to avoid extra charges. Contact WestJet for special items or needs. Call +1 888 937 8538 or visit westjet.com for assistance. By understanding these updated policies, travelers can pack efficiently, avoid unexpected fees, and enjoy a smoother journey with WestJet in 2025.